shortly like friendly. Yep. Zooming around on his or her phone. Good morning. I don't think you're meant to be holding and using your phone.
Just I appreciate that. Yeah.
I'll be reporting it though, so in about 2 weeks you'll hear from the police if they choose to prosecute you. You might be lucky. You might be lucky.
I really was just doing it at the light. I wouldn't be doing it otherwise.
It's still illegal. 802 KRB.